The official MCP structure talks about three important parts: the host, the client, and the server. In this example, the host is my AI page readiness app experience, more specifically the Ask AI button inside the app, where the users can ask a question. So the host is not just a simple Ask AI button. The host is the AI app experience that the user interacts with. The client is the hidden connector layer behind the scenes. The user does not really see this part. The MCP client is the part that talks to the MCP server. It can ask, "What tools do you have?" Then it can call one of those tools with the right inputs. The server is my app's MCP server. In my example, that is the MCP endpoint that exposes tools from my app. And my app has multiple tools. And I want to use one of those tools to connect with the Google Search Console. But the Google Search Console is not the MCP server. The Google Search Console is the data source behind one of those tools. To simply map this, user asks a question, the app is the host, the hidden MCP client talks to the MCP server, and my app's MCP server exposes tools. One of those tools can get data from Google Search Console. Then the AI uses that result to give a better answer. What does my MCP server exposes? In my AI page app, the MCP server can expose tools. For example, some tools can be about understanding a website page. A tool can normalize a URL. A tool can classify page types. A tool can help identify priority pages. And then there are connected tools. In my example, I connected one of the tools to the Google Search Console as a read-only data source. So my MCP server can expose tools like Site Audit GSC list sites, Site Audit GSC page queries, Site Audit GSC opportunity pages. This may look too technical, but the simple explanation is one tool can list the Search Console site which is connected to the user. One tool can get the search queries for a specific page. One tool can find pages with impressions but low clicks. So instead of the AI only guessing from one page, it can use a connected tool to get more context and information about a specific page to have a better answer.